been lied to. The fitness industry loves to convince you that you need complicated routines, endless machines, and expensive supplements just to get stronger. And when things feel overwhelming, most people give up before they ever see real progress. But here's the truth no one talks about. Your body doesn't need more exercises. It needs the right ones. A lot of people jump from program to program, trying random workouts that are too complex, too tiring, or too inconsistent to stick with. And that's exactly why they don't see results. But the people who stay strong, athletic, and capable year after year, they're not doing 50 different movements. They're mastering a small set of foundational exercises that actually teach the body to grow, get more powerful, and move better in everyday life. And that's what this video is about. If you want to stop wasting time, build real strength you can feel, and create a body that performs, these 6 exercises are all you need. No gimmicks, no nonsense, just smart training. Before we start, drop a comment telling me your current goal: strength, muscle, or overall fitness. All right, let's get into the first exercise. Exercise 1, single leg RDL. Most guys think strength comes from equipment. Wrong. Your body is the equipment. The single leg RDL builds the strength you actually use in real life: bending, reaching, walking, picking things up. Why it matters. Your hamstrings and glutes get deep, functional strength. Your core fires the entire rep, and your balance improves, which becomes crucial as you age. How to do it? Stand on one leg, hinge forward like a seesaw, keep your back flat, feel the hamstring stretch, return to standing. Start with 3x8 per leg. Progressions: use a dumbbell, try B stance, or go double kettlebell. Exercise 2, squats. If there's one movement that predicts how strong, mobile, and independent you'll be as you age, it's the squat. Every time you sit, stand, get out of your car, or pick something up, you're squatting. Benefits? It builds quads, glutes, hamstrings, and core. It boosts natural hormones that support muscle. It strengthens joints and bones. It keeps your hips young. Start with goblet squats, 3x10 to 12. Progress to barbell squats when ready. Exercise 3, calf raises. Most guys skip calves and wonder why their ankles hurt or why they lose balance easily. Strong calves equals strong ankles equals strong knees. This movement improves stability, posture, and lower body power. Stand on a step, lift through the toes, lower into a stretch. 3x15 to 20. Add weight as needed. Exercise 4, inverted rows. We push all day. We rarely pull. Inverted rows fix that, building your back, rear delts, biceps, posture, and shoulder health. Lie under a sturdy bar or table, keep your body straight, pull your chest to the bar with control. 3x8 to 10. Lower the bar or elevate your feet as you get stronger. Exercise 5, push-ups. Don't let the simplicity fool you. Push-ups are elite. They train the chest, shoulders, triceps, and core, and they build real-world pressing strength useful in everyday life. Start with 3x15 to 20 clean reps. Modify if needed. Progress with diamond or decline variations. Exercise 6, mountain climbers. Mountain climbers blend cardio, core, and coordination into one efficient movement. Benefits: it strengthens your core, improves endurance, builds hip mobility, and helps you move with speed and control. Start with 3x20 seconds. Progress to 30 to 40 seconds or cross-body versions. Those are the 6 raw, no-equipment movements that build real strength, real control, and real confidence anywhere you are. But here's the truth. Watching this won't change your body. Doing the work will. You can walk away and stay exactly where you are, or you can commit to a simple plan that actually delivers results. No machines, no excuses. Your future strength starts with one decision. Show up today. If you want more guides, more routines, and more breakdowns that actually help you progress, hit like, tap subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next training video. Start small, stay consistent, build the strongest version of you. Let's move.